Hello Libra, welcome to your weekly love reading. This is Chelsea. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate your love and support. Hope all is well with everyone. And Libra, please bear in mind that this is a general reading and it will not resonate with each and every one of you. Time is an illusion in tarot, so this reading could resonate with you in the past, currently, or in the future. Alright Libra, let's get your reading started. And Libra, I cut my finger, so I'm not gonna shuffle really fast or the same ways that I used to shuffle. Okay, spirits and angels, please show me important, accurate love messages for Libra for this week. Show me more. I'll take these. Ace of Cups in reverse. Okay. Libra, please bear in mind that roles can be reversed in this reading. Could either be you or the other person you are thinking about or dealing with. Queen of Wands in reverse, Five of Wands in reverse. Perhaps somebody in the past could have put you in a third-party situation. They could have other people involved in your relationship with your person, okay? And the star here does indicate that you are healing. You're going through recovery, healing and recovery. Nine of Cups is in reverse. This is an indication of, of course, you're not going to be happy with the Nine of Cups in reverse. I mean, with whatever that's happened here in the past, being put in a third party, perhaps could have been cheated on. Ten of Swords as well, as you can see, a betrayal, painful ending. And King of Cups is right here though. All right, so this could be you or your person, but it does look like somebody does love somebody here very, very deeply, okay? The only reason why I'm saying somebody is because this is a general reading. Roles can be switched again, just so take what resonates with you, okay? So the Chariot indicates that with it being in reverse, it does indicate that there is no forward movement when it comes to your relationship with your past person. So it came to a screeching halt. And the Fool is right here. It does look like for most of you, Libra, you will be taking a leap of faith when it comes to love. It does look like you're going to start from a zero and changing your path or direction when it comes to love. And for the better, actually. Nine of Swords is in reverse, so I'm sensing that you're going to have some sort of a relief slowly but surely when it comes to anxiety, stress, hurt, pain from your past person. But there is a little bit of suspicion here that I'm sensing perhaps your past person still has feelings for you, okay? And they want to recover this connection, wanting to heal this connection with you. But we're going to see more in the extended later. Ace of Cups in reverse. Hierophant is in reverse. Queen of Cups is in reverse. See, I suspected that because Six of Cups could indicate a return from somebody from your past. But this also could indicate somebody here is looking back, reminiscing about the past very fondly. So I do sense somebody missing you, actually, terribly, I have to say that. Libra, you could be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aquarius, Cancer, I'm seeing here as well. Somebody like you are, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, strong Aries, strong Taurus as well, but don't take any of the signs too literally. We all could embody any of it. So Six of Cups here, yeah, it does look like somebody may want to come back. Six of Pentacles in reverse. I've been sensing, Libra, a lot of you are actually trying to find out, or your person could be trying to find out about you, to see that if you're with somebody new. But I'm also sensing if it's you spying on them, it could be you trying to find out if they're still with the third party. Just basically keeping tabs on each other. That's what I'm getting. Page of Swords in reverse, stalking, spying, same thing. But Three of Cups does indicate third party, or again, this could indicate again that somebody from your past may want to return and reconcile, or wanting to see you face to face. This could happen in the future, okay? I don't know how long it's going to take because it's divine timing for each and every one of you. It's not the same. Of course, it's not going to happen at the same time. So just, take what resonates with you, but I do sense most of you currently are healing, okay? Healing from past betrayal. So for some of you, I know that you can see this is coming as well, okay? You could sense that this is coming. But but what I'm seeing here is most likely past person is going to come back wanting to reconcile and wanting a second chance, perhaps wanting to take a new leap of faith with you. But with the Hierophant in reverse also indicates, you know, if I feel like most of you were in this connection it was a pretty serious relationship, okay? Some of you could have been married to this person, not everyone, of course not, but the Hierophant in reverse does to me indicate that someone could have broken their promises as well, did not keep their promises. And Ace of Cups in reverse, someone could have found out that love all along, you know, initially could have been very lovey-dovey, full of emotions, but it turned out to be not that case, okay? So it does look like there are many cards indicating that you're going through separation with your past person, but then it does look like also, you know, the Six of Cups may not always mean a past person coming back. It could also mean that you're meeting somebody new. The only reason why I'm saying somebody new is because of the Fool card here. Perhaps when you take a new leap of faith in love, you meet somebody whom could be your soulmate, or you could have past life experiences with, right? And it's going to, with the Wheel of Fortune, it could turn it into, I'm sensing this change of path when it comes to your love life. It's for the better, okay? It's positive. It could lead to an engagement, okay? Three of Cups, I do read it as an engagement. Sometimes, yeah, it could possibly lead to marriage as well. Queen of Cups is in reverse, King of Cups upright position. So I'm sensing in the past you could have, you know, you and your person, before whatever that's happening, I feel like both of you were a true match, okay? But something happened here, okay? Some betrayal, perhaps, again, third party, lying, cheating. So somebody refuses now to invest emotionally into this connection, and removing oneself from the third party and just put a stop to this connection. That's what I'm seeing. Libra, we're going to find out in the extended, how does your person currently feel about you, your person in separation right now? What are their true intentions? What is the most likely outcome between the two of you? And we're also going to find out about someone new here, okay? It does look like a lot of you will be meeting somebody new, or that you have already met somebody new currently. Eight of Pentacles is here, so I feel like a lot of you are concentrating on a project, on work, on trying to make a lot of money here. And the Page of Pentacles, again, it could indicate a new beginning. It does look promising. This could be an offer of an apology, either from your past person, or an offer of love from somebody new, or sometimes the Page of Pentacles could indicate also like a peace offering. Right, but I'm sensing a lot of you be getting some good news as well coming in. Page is a messenger, a little something there, okay, something solid for you. But again, this could also indicate somebody completely new who wants to offer you something genuine here. This person could be actually, I'm sensing, younger than you are, or both of you possibly could have an age gap there. It doesn't matter if you're younger or they're older, they could go vice versa, but there is definitely an age gap here. But yeah, we're gonna dive deeper into your reading in the extended. We're gonna pull more cards out, and we're gonna find out past person, how do they feel about you, what their current intention, what are their true intentions, what is the most likely outcome between two of you, as well as your new love, okay? What's the potential like between two of you, or any information, any messages that I see in there. And also we're going to pull out some more cards and give you some advice with the Romance Angels Oracle. All right, Libra, the link is in the description box below if you're interested in watching the extended. Just click on it and it will bring you to my Patreon page. It's only $10 and you can watch all of the weekly extended reading. All right, Libra, if we part ways here, thank you so much for watching. I hope it resonated with you. If it did, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Take care, Libra. Bye.